Thinking about traveling to the United States or handling a transaction that requires American currency? You might be wondering, can I get American money at TD Bank? Thinking face, it's a great question, and the good news is, yes, you absolutely can. TD Bank, known for its extensive network and customer-friendly services, makes it relatively easy to obtain US dollars, whether you're a TD customer or not. Let's break down how you can do it and what you should keep in mind. How to get American money at TD Bank. TD Bank offers several convenient ways to get your hands on American currency. In branch. This is often the most straightforward option. Most TD Bank branches stock US dollars, euros, and British pounds for immediate exchange. If you need other currencies, you'll likely have to order them in advance. It's always a good idea to call your local branch beforehand to confirm availability, especially if you need a large sum or a less common currency. This can save you a trip. Online ordering for TD Bank customers. If you're a TD Bank customer, you can order foreign currency online through EasyWeb or the TD app. This is super convenient, allowing you to select your desired currency and amount, and then pick it up at your preferred branch. Typically, online orders are ready for pickup within 2 to 7 business days, depending on the currency and location. There's usually a transaction fee for online orders, for example, $7 and 50 cents for online foreign currency orders. Also, keep in mind there are minimum and maximum order limits, such as a minimum of $250 per online transaction. TD Foreign Exchange Centers. For immediate access to a wider range of currencies, TD has dedicated foreign exchange centers in major metro areas. These centers often have up to 15 foreign currencies available on hand for immediate purchase. If you're near one of these, it's a great option for same-day needs. By phone. You can also call TD Bank's customer service to order foreign currency for branch pickup. This is another convenient way to place your order if you prefer speaking to someone directly. Things to consider. While getting American money at TD Bank is easy, here are a few things to keep in mind. Asterisk exchange rates and fees. Asterisk TD Bank offers competitive exchange rates, but like any financial institution, they do have a markup on the exchange rate, which is how they make money on the service. There may also be transaction fees, especially for online orders or specific circumstances. Always check the current exchange rate and any associated fees before completing your transaction. Asterisk availability. Asterisk while US dollars are generally readily available, larger amounts or less common currencies might require an advance order. Planning ahead is key. Asterisk payment methods. Asterisk for online orders, you'll typically need to use a TD debit card. For in-person transactions, you can usually use cash or debit. Whether you're planning a trip, a cross-border purchase, or just need some greenbacks on hand, TD Bank provides multiple avenues to obtain American currency. Just choose the method that best suits your needs and remember to consider the exchange rates and fees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.